The windshield wiper control stalk is located on the right-hand side of the driver just behind the steering wheel. Use the windshield wiper control stalk to operate the front windshield wipers as well as the rear windshield wiper. Here's a quick overview of the controls. There are 5 positions on the windshield wiper stalk: mist, off, INT, which stands for intermittent, low, low speed, and high, high speed. To apply windshield washer fluid to the front windshield, pull the wiper stalk towards you. To apply washer fluid to the rear windshield, push the wiper stalk away from you. The front windshield wipers can be set to operate continuously at a low speed, low position, or at a high speed, high position. Additionally, when the windshield wiper stalk is in the INT position, the windshield wipers will operate intermittently according to the adjustment setting located on the stalk. Note that as you adjust the intermittent delay lever, the vertical bar graph on the instrument cluster will indicate the level at which the intermittent mode will operate. At 1 bar, the intervals between wipes will be longer. At 5 bars, the intervals will be shorter. If your vehicle is equipped with automatic rain-sensing windshield wipers, there is a rain sensor located on the upper end of the windshield glass. This device senses the amount of rainfall and controls the wiper operation and wiping speed automatically. The more it rains, the faster the wiper operates. Note that the windshield wiper stalk must be set to the auto position to enable the rain-sensing wipers, and this feature is not available in all cars. A useful feature to know about is when the front windshield wipers are operating in either INT, auto, low, or high mode, and the vehicle is shifted into reverse, the rear wiper will automatically turn on and continue to operate until the vehicle is shifted into another gear or put into park. The automatic rear wiper operation can be turned on or off by selecting the feature in the instrument cluster user settings. During the cold winter months, if there is heavy accumulation of snow or ice on the windshield, use the defroster to loosen or melt the ice before operating the windshield wipers. This will allow them to continue operating efficiently.